Hey guys, John with Dent Reaper here. Just wanted to go over quick how the ratchet handle tools, all of the ratchet handle tools in the Dent Reaper collection are compatible with the tactical handle, the Guerrilla grip from Tactical here, which you can get just about everywhere now. A1 sells them, Anson makes them, Anson of course sells them as well. And it's an amazing add-on to any of your ratchet handle tools with this 26-point hub here. So basically, you're just gonna take this little thumb screw here and unscrew it. And there is typically some thread lock in there, so it does come out a little bit slow to begin with. But you pop that out and I have a little spring in there that is what allows that mechanism to ratchet. And then you take off your handle and you're left with this hub here. And this is the original Guerrilla grip, and that will just pop right on there. And really good leverage with these things, and you can adjust to have it at any angle you want, and really good. My personal favorite of the whole collection is the T-handle, very versatile. This is actually a T-handle, and just take this section off here and pop it in there, and then you have a T-handle, or you can obviously turn it into a flag handle as well. And that will just pop on there. And I mean, when you pair this with the Dent Reaper, or this is the Fat Baby Reaper, the amount of power and leverage you get. And I mean, you could add as many of these extensions onto here as you want. And the amount of leverage you get with this is just absolutely amazing. So if you don't have a Guerrilla grip, I definitely recommend getting one. And if you do, I definitely recommend using them with any and all of the Dent Reaper tools. So that's all I got to say about that. But check them out, get them at Anson or A1, and get your Reapers at dentreaper.com. Thanks so much. Have a great one.